There's a song that we're singing. Come on, get happy. A whole lot of loving is what we'll be bringing. We'll make you happy. We'll make you happy. We'll make you happy.
Happy Sets Upon everybody! Today I have a most unique profile to present to you, that of the Shotgun Bean Plant. As a matter of fact, to help out, I found an actual shotgun bean plant, and I have it here in the studio as a little visual aid. You see, it's over there. You see, you can see it. Picked it up cheap off Amazon, and I guarantee you, by the end of this profile, you'll be grinning just like me. See? The shotgun bean plant is a cute little Audrey 2 style bud in an equally cute little pot. This type of plant was used in the olden days to fight off mean spirits and demons. How did it do it? By way of its one natural defense, by spitting beans. It may not seem like much, but, well, put it to you this way, it feels a lot like being shot by a paintball gun. And you ever get shot with a paintball gun? It hurts like a shit bitch! Ah! Happy, that's me! So, as it turns out, this bean plant is a truly rare find. Back in the day, these things were so good at their jobs, they ran themselves straight out of business. They busted and beamed every demon until they stopped peeking their heads out the underworld. So, the farmers stopped planting these bean plants, and one by one the existing plants died off. So few and far between are these plants. When one showed up at a shop in Narima, Japan, it was a pretty big deal. But the shop owner could not control this mischievous plant, and it was causing more harm than good. It would continually attack him, because, well, look at him. He's the spitting image, no pun intended, of Mr. Invader from Urasei Sora! It turns out the shotgun bean plant's victims need only resemble an Oni. The bean plant will even attack a still image of a demon. It is that sensitive. Maybe that ugly bastard should have considered some plastic surgery. Ah! Oh, that one got my eye! Oh, I don't think I can finish this. I need to go to a hospital. Man, bringing that plant here was a bad idea. Ah! Smiles. So, why is the shotgun bean plant attacking me? Well, it covers its bases pretty thoroughly. It vanquishes demons by sensing negativity in any given space. Demons are crawling, festering with negativity. If you want to catch a demon, this plant does a bang-up job. But with the caveat that you have to remove all negativity from your surroundings, lest you want to be attacked as well. You have to be nice! You have to control your temper! You can't raise your voice, you can't so much as put on a frowny face. That's the price you gotta pay for the best security guard in the business. The shotgun bean plant was a novelty at first, but after a while it was just a pain in the buttocks to keep around. Smiles! So, the Tendo Dojo, world renowned for settling uber-natural disputes, was sent to somehow get rid of this pesky plant life, led by teenage upstart Ranma Saotome! They found out the hard way the nuances of the shotgun bean plant, including, get this, that it could hover in the air and follow them! So you can't even hide from it, or talk about it behind its back, or stem, or whatever? You know what? I think I'd like to put that theory to the test! There. That ought to take care of you, you penis fly trap. So, Ranma and company, well, you know how they all get along. They bicker by the minute. So the shotgun beam plant left enough stinging red welts all over them to make them resemble that red thing from Yo Gabba Gabba. But eventually they formulated a strategy. The same strategy I am using now. You can do what you want, say what you want, just as long as you keep that smile upon your face. Hi! Welcome back! Continue to laugh, feign a giggle if you can, and the potted plant will not fire upon you. Easy, right? Well, as our heroes try to apprehend the feisty Flora, and fail, and fail, and fail, they have to try their best to bottle that frustration, and that's easier said than done. Alright, I realize by now I must look a little grotesque, so I'm gonna count you down to seeing my face. Ready? 3, 2, 1. How can one continue to smile in the face of true unadulterated annoyance? Ow! Ow! That's it! You have worked my last nerve, you stupid weed! Deflected! Accursed weed. Time to return to the earth where you came from.
This has been a Ranma 1/2 character profile. This profile was brought to you in part by JW Studios and by Shade. What is this? A nice turn signal there, asswipe!
Oh, isn't life grand?